What's going on, you guys? Today we're gonna do a quick replacement of the center console lid. Mine is a little bit damaged, and I think it needs to be replaced. It's been about 10 years of arms being on here. It needs to be replaced. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. But first, you must take out all the screws. There are 7 screws in this lid. There's gonna be 2 on the top, 2 on the sides, facing away from you and inside. And there's also 2 more doing the same thing all the way in the bottom. And then there's 1 more all the way in the middle. And to get to that one, you gotta lift up the lid like so. And you're just gonna go ahead and start unscrewing them. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. And I'm gonna show you guys how to put the other one back on. All right, got it off and put this one on. Now I'm gonna go ahead and screw it, but be careful when you're screwing this one on, because most likely the one that you have is not OEM. Some of the leather was getting in the way of the screw hole, so I had to go ahead and cut some off just to make sure that the screws go in there nice and evenly without any problem or hesitation, and you won't get frustrated that it's not going in. And there we go, got it all nice and set up, brand new. So if you enjoyed that video, go ahead and check out my other videos if you like watching cars being rebuilt. Right now we're rebuilding some pretty luxury BMWs. Yeah, they're pretty funny, so if you want to go and enjoy. Look at this dude, look at this dude, look at this dude.